Have you ever looked up and noticed clouds forming giant rings? It's a fascinating phenomenon. These circular formations, often called cloud rings, occur when warm, moist air rises and cools, creating a vortex. As the air spins, it can pull in surrounding moisture, shaping those mesmerizing rings. Sometimes, these clouds can even stretch for miles. They're not just beautiful, they can indicate changes in weather patterns. So next time you gaze at the sky, keep an eye out for those stunning cloud rings. They're nature's artwork in motion.